Onitsha, a rich heritage rooted upon a long history of brave men and dauntless women. Bordered by the pristine river Niger, it has over the years grown in diversity. Onitsha, the home of great men and women, including the first Nigerian president, Dr. Anambra Obodo, former administrator of Eastern Nigeria, Ukpabi Asika, and Obi of Onitsha, Igwe Nnanyelugo, Alfred Nnaemeka Achebe Agbogidi, among others. A haven for people from different cultures and socio-economic groups. Home to one of the most prominent Igbo cultures, adding spice and color to festivities in and around the city. The old and young can be seen in various locales, living in harmony, and yet this great land shelters the biggest market in West Africa. One would be forgiven if they quickly get infected by the happiness in the boisterous streets of this town, as vendors can be seen all around, dishing tasty meals and smiles through their talented culinary skills. Explore the streets of Onitsha this festive season and experience the best of the best. Merry Christmas. This message was brought to you by Onitsha A Youth Council, Patrick Anyamba, Patty Biggs, Kentro Partners, and P Legend Media.